Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. So I've been waiting so fucking long and finally I got a package. So I've been waiting so fucking long all day in about two days. And I tried call if I accidentally the wait and the kid ship it. And that's so fucking mad, like be here Monday, like whatever. So yeah, and this is I ordered two file records from Blackmail. So let's go over it. I've been waiting so fucking long all fucking day. Like dude, come on. And they came in the afternoon today because I've been waiting fucking for facts. Like whatever, I hate it so much. So yeah. And I've been waiting stupid Monday, like the facts and sit there like it's not should be like I'll be here do it Wednesday, and then yeah, like whatever. So yeah, that's time. That's what's I go whatever. So I get pissed off this hours, so like whatever. So anyways, not my problem. So yeah, and we got the bad boy. Don't need sticker. Why is this stupid fucking sticker? So, anyways, I've been waiting so fucking long all fucking day. So, it's not my thing. So, finally, this is I want it. So, we got, we got the album. We got Goth, whatever his name, the Blackmail stuff. So I've been waiting for shipping, like, and, so yeah, well, that's okay. I don't need whatever. I don't care. So I want to buy skin like it's fucking crappy. So this is from um stupid sticker. Sorry, this is from the Jew from the Norway. This album two we do black metal. So very very happy. This is I want it buy it because I'm never doing it or no more because this this thing this thing company it sucks and I never buy shit because of fucking never purchase. So anyways, yeah, we got half white and black the file lacquer. So I made we so fucking long and so this looks pretty. So it's really cool cover. It's not much lifestyle that they don't have black ones and stuff. And so anyways, because it's not my opinion. So hopefully try listening music one time. So anyways, for the sweep away. But I'm really happy right now because I've been so fucking long the 2 days. So like Monday and Tuesday, I so pissed off and delivery like sit there forever, like keep forever so long. I was surprised there's no damage in my file. Like I'm very happy. This is Dark World. This is my favorite album. So this is two Ouija Black Metal. This is the No Way. So I'm very excited. And I'm very happy. Because I've been waiting in the afternoon because I'm sitting there to eat or something before I get hungry. So you know, I'm really surprised. You know, so I'm really happy right now. I never do again if I feel fucking with FedEx no more. Like, I'm really company stupid because I have a feeling this is why I don't trust at all. So now finally, this is the 1 second stupid plastic. It's been fucking annoying. So this is the Dark World service. 30 years. The fire two Ouija Black Metal. So that's plastic away. You don't need those. This is I want to look for a hard time. Dark World. I don't have an album, unfortunately. So I'm very happy from today. So stuck in there. So anyways, let's see in there. Okay, cool. And we got an awesome sleeve. Now it's really cool. We got the different colors, Spire, the white of some messed up damage. So that's okay. So yeah. Anyways, it happens. There's no excuse in company the vinyl. So I'm very happy to get these. This is work for a while. I've been waiting so fucking long. So awesome. Nice sweet color. I love it. So I'm very happy today. So finally, I will enjoy. I'm very glad because I don't trust. And I try and be wee because then I try and call facts and like you know call customer service to try and tracking number like sit there and finally be we forever to know because I'm very happy right now because this is why. So yeah, awesome two files records, really cool. Black Metal, awesome. Two region Black Metal because from Norway. I'm really happy. I'm a big fan. Norway because I love Black Metal stuff. Death Metal, it's not much. Blue Death Metal, not really because mm, it's not too bad. Thrash Metal or stuff like that. So I'm really happy for now today because finally got two files in Black Metal. It's really fucking cool. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's it for the video. And I've been ways, and I really apologize, you guys, because I'm forever in the afternoon because I've been waiting 1:20 p.m. in the afternoon. So yeah. So, anyways, that big things and whatever company stuff, like, So yeah, and that's it. That's it for the video, guys. I will join your video, and I'm really happy right now. I'm really joy because I feel so. Yeah, I feel happy, and so I feel tired. Sorry, I apologize. I'm sorry, guys. I feel tired. So yeah. Alright, you guys, take care of yourself, and if you like your justice, give you like a thumbs up, and give me comments below when you did this video so far, and please hit subscribe, and don't miss a video while the case of bell, because you don't miss video on my YouTube channel, and hopefully try my best I can, and so yeah, and so, and also, please don't forget to follow me on social media and Twitter and Instagram, stuff like that. And so yeah, I'm really happy. You guys, take care of yourself, stay well, stay blue.